Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learning Academy class. In this video, we will learn about JEE Mains 2021 strategy plan and some preparation tip about JEE Mains 2021 and exam patterns, syllabus and all. Let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. To score good marks in exam JEE 2021, follow this preparation tip in your exam so you can do much more better in exam. Step 1. Know your exam well. First step is to begin prepare for any exam is to know the exam pattern and topic covered in exam. Knowledge of the syllabus and weightage assigned to each section will help you formulate the correct JEE Main 21 preparation strategy. Second, what you should know before you start. Check out the JEE Main 2021 syllabus. This is released by NTA. However, the syllabus does not change every year, so you can check out the past year syllabus for JEE Mains. You will notice it is based on the class 11th and 12th physics, chemistry, maths syllabus. Step 3. Make your own timetable. Now you are familiar with the topic and exam pattern. It is time to make your timetable. It is important that you study plan for JEE Main preparation tips suggested by expert and topper. Divide your study hour into a small session. Take a break of 10 to 5 minutes every session. Study during hour, you will feel productive. Each student has his or own method of studying, so figure out and use it effectively. Calculate and divide your study hour as per the expert. Fourth tip, implement the JEE Main 2021 plan. Now that the timetable is set, you need to start following it. Some of the JEE Main 2021 preparation tip. Make a habit of making note and underlining the important point while studying each topic. For mathematics, start studying journal topic that you are applied in our chapter. Some of the journal topic including trigonometry, coordinates, geometry, differential and integration. Make a chapter wise formula and important point sheet that you work as a revision sheet during the exam. For physics, try to understand diagram and read chapter carefully. Additionally, create a chapter wise formula sheet and comprise all formulas and law discussed in the chapter. In chemistry, learn chemical equation and chemical properties by heart. 50% of the question are based on either equation or chemical properties. After completing every chapter, create a sheet for chemical equation and formula to be used in solving the question. Follow the NCERT book through. More than 50% of questions are asked from the NCERT books. Fifth tip, solve more and more questions. JEE Main is an exam that examination your analytic and critical skill. Most of the question asked are calculation based, hence it become essential to solve question while studying the topic. Some key JEE Main preparation tip to you keep in your mind while studying. Solve as many questions possible for every topic that you study. This will help you understand the top type of question asked from each topic and you will know how far you stand from your target score. Maintain an error log and keep resolving your doubt instantly. This will help you know your weak point. Everyone has a strong subject and a weak subject. Try to solve more questions from your weak subject. This will help you overcome your weak point and convert them into a strong one. When you solve question, make a habit of timing your effort For instance, solve 25 questions in a 50 minutes. This will help you improve your speed and manage time during the actual JEE main exam. Tip 5, revision is important. All your study be of your use. It won't remember what you study. In order to recollect whatever you study, revision is a necessary step. Make over it not possible to study each and every topic for a syllabus. During the last day, following are some of the preparation tips for JEE Main 2021 that will help you in revision. Solving question is an important part of revision. Through revision, you will able to identify the point you miss while running. Solving JEE Main previous year question paper is also good practice as it allows you to know the type of question asked in exam. Take as many tests as possible. It is not necessary for the test to be full length. You can take chapter wise test within a limit amount of time. Tips for JEE Main 2020 in short notice. That know your exam well. What you should know before you start. Exam pattern. Make your own timetable. Implement this JEE Main 2021. And revision is most important for your exam that you can revise every time. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel, like this video. Thank you very much.